Hello, this is virtual Professor Michel Dubois. Check out this free video from the Grumpy Old Itegi. It show you how we create our course using, specifically, avatar and voices, both in English and French, are used by various products on the market. For example, we utilize Avatar Builder and MyHumanPal for creating avatar, and we employ a product called Revoice for generating audio in multiple languages, including English, French, Italian, and others. We also use Grammarly for grammar checks. Take it away, Professor Grumpy.
Okay, I hope you'll find this interesting. A little tutorial here on how to use AI to create a course. One of my grumpy old IT guy courses. This is on SQL Server triggers, but I'm going to create this course for the French students, for our friends in France and other French-speaking countries. So I'm using basically Revoicer in this case to translate my English text to French, and then to create a voice of Professor Dubois, virtual Professor Michel Dubois, which is one of my virtual professors. Okay, so here's how we do it. All right, we'll go to the notes view, and there's my English, and it looks pretty good. Let me see if I have to fix it. I use Grammarly to do any grammar corrections. I also use Grammarly for plagiarism checks. Some of my text, not in this case, but some of my text in the courses, like for example, text that describes SQL queries is pretty tedious, right? So I feed the query to ChatGPT, and it comes up with a description. It saves me a lot of time. But anyway, so I copy. Whoops, let's try it again here. I'm going to copy this text. Okay. I will then go to Revoicer. Here's Revoicer. I'm going to click on Translate Text. I will paste the text that I unsuccessfully copied. Let's try that again. You know how this is, right? Never ever works. Try it one more time. Let's correct this while we're here. Highlight this text again. Okay, copy. Okay, this should work now. Back to Revoicer. I'm going to paste it in here. All right, simply click on the translate text. I'm translating from English to French. There it is. All right. I'm going to copy this again, and I'm going to generate voice from text. That selection, I got a whole bunch of stuff here. It's a very powerful tool, Revoicer. I paste my French language, and I'm using the voice of Emily, French, a dynamic, multilingual, and powerful female voice with a bold and authoritative sound. Wow. So I just click on Generate Audio. It's pretty fast. Okay, it's been created. I will scroll down here, and I will download this latest video. Okay, let's minimize this. Let me bring my two explorers here. So here's the text or the voice I just created, the French voice of Emily. And I'm going to move it here, and I will rename it so I know out of all these voices what slide they go to. And for triggers dash slide, and I should be in slide 45, I believe. Okay, so slide 45. I go back to my PowerPoint presentation. This time I view the normal view. There's my slide. Okay, I will insert this audio all the way down here, number 45. Did I get this correct? Yes, number 45. Okay, I'll slide this little video, I guess icon we'll call it, so I can always see it. I'm on playback. I want to hide that during the show. I want it to be automatic. And I want it to come after the first animation. So let me go ahead. Let's see. And if I can reach the slideshow button here. Here it is.
Ceci est un exemple simple sur la façon dont les déclencheurs peuvent être utilisés pour mettre en œuvre des règles métiers. La règle peut être modifiée pour remplir également partiellement une ordonnance, affectation des
Okay, so you get an idea. I didn't let it play all the way through, and that worked out pretty well. And then if I go to the next slide that I already prepared, I used another product called Human Pal, and it created this little video here of virtual professor Michel Dubois. And I used, let's see, what did I use? I used, I think, one of the Translate applications just to do these little messages, but you can also do it with Revoicer. And as you can see, the grumpy old IT guy comments are also in French. So now if I run this one in the slideshow.
Ok tout le monde. Testons nos connaissances avec une démo. Enlevez le professeur grincheux.
Okay, so you get an idea of how to create a PowerPoint slide or presentation that can be used to generate a video, right? So I used a couple of tools to generate audio and also all these virtual professor videos. I'm not going to do it now, but once this was complete, my next step would be to basically export this and create a video, which I'm not going to do because I'm actually not finished creating this presentation. Okay, I hope you found this helpful, and I will see you in the next free tutorial podcast. This is the Grumpy Old IT Guy signing off.
Hello, this is Assistant Virtual Professor Rajesh. I am sending an informative message to all SQL developers and prospective SQL developers. Please check out Professor Grumpy's Facebook page, Chief Grumpy Old Guy, for some interesting and fun podcasts, videos, and other news related to SQL Server programming. Also, check out Artificial Intelligence Art for interesting images created with AI. ChatGPT DAL-E was used to generate the image. Also, check out Microsoft TSQL for beginners and TSQL for experienced developers SQL on Facebook. I almost forgot, check out our course offerings at www.grumpyoldguy.com. This is Professor Rajesh signing off for now. Cheers for now.